Hey guys, welcome to another episode of This Week at Car Detail Empire. I hope my voice is nice and buttery smooth today. I've got this new microphone. We've got a super bustling shop at the moment, so I'll talk you through what we've got going on. Just in front of me here in the wash bay is the GLC43. That's just had a maintenance detail done on it. If you recall, we did some things with the calipers and some vinyl on the wheels. That's all looking really good, still like we just put it on there. So happy with that. Up on the hoist, we've got a RSQ8 at the moment, brand new one. It looks amazing. The whole car is black, except for the wheels. They've got that classic machine-faced Audi look, and the customer just wanted to get those all blacked out. So we're going to be looking after that for a couple of days, making sure the wheels look immaculate and then popping them back on. We'll see how that goes towards the end of the week. That's going to be really cool. I also just want to quickly direct your eyes towards the calipers on this thing. My whole forearm is the caliper. It's pretty nuts. Then behind us here, we've got the Audi Q3 S line. So this one had a lot of iron on the wheels and things like that. So we've done a really solid detail inside and out of those wheels. One stage correction on the car, just spruce it up a little bit. It's a really nice car, so you want to make sure that you're maintaining it, keeping it looking good. So now we've brought it back up to that standard. You can see the wheels look just about brand new. Black Bentley on the left here, that's here just for its 3 weekly checkups. So when we do a big job like a vinyl wrap or PPF, we just want to make sure that everything's staying on the vehicle, nothing's lifting, everything's looking as good as it should. And we're pretty happy with this so far, so that's all going really swell. Inside the booth at the moment, we have this enormous Ford Ranger Raptor. So this is actually for a security brand called Oculus. I believe it's like a vehicle surveillance type brand, and basically they have a police design that they want to be putting on the sides of the doors and then PPF all over the rest of the car. So it's a really big job. It's going to take us a few days, but it's going to look immaculate when it's done. Going to be a complete transformation of the car. At the back here, we've got the Corvette, which is nearly finished. So Sam and Ashley just finishing up some of the roof wrap and that sort of thing, and then that's going to be going out at the end of today. Very excited to see the customer's reaction for that one. Just next to me here, we've got 4 wheels from a Holden Acadia. So these ones, for some reason, have a really common issue from factory where the clear coat flakes off. And being a complicated wheel, it's kind of like a shadow chrome finish with a machine face. So there's quite a lot of work that goes into fully restoring that. So, you've got to sandblast the whole thing, then do the shadow chrome painting process, and then machine the top, and then clear coat the whole thing. So it's a really big process, and for some reason, a lot of these vehicles are getting this issue. So we're making sure to look after that really thoroughly so that doesn't happen again. In front of me here, we've got a Ducati Monster Testastretta. I hope I get that right. And basically we've done a full detail all over the thing, and we've pomponazzi'd every possible surface that we can. So inside the wheels, the seat, the paint, everything that we can put pomponazzi on, that's going to adhere really well and just make washing the bike super easy. It's already a small thing, and now you can just basically rinse it off and it's all going to sheet away from the bike and be nice and clean. Over here, we've got a Land Cruiser. So this had a bunch of 4x4 parts fitted to it, like a bull bar, the side steps, roof racks, a couple of things like that. We've put a ceramic coating on that as well, just to obviously round out the maintenance process, make everything super easy. It's a really big rig, so he added a few things to it, and it's a really nice looking car, so we just want to make sure that we're doing what we can to make it look its best all the time. And he actually brought the bike on the trailer. He really knows his stuff, got a really good set of vehicles, so always love to look after this guy. In the back here, we've got a brand new VW Tiguan. It's got, I think it's a new design on the back actually on the tailgate, which is pretty nice, very clean looking. So this just came in straight from our factory to get a paint correction and ceramic coating. You know, the new car ceramic coating, we do that all the time, day in, day out. It's essential for a car like this. You know, it's a premium vehicle. You want to look after it, you want it to look its best, and there's nothing like a ceramic coating to keep that happening. We also maintain vehicles like this on a regular basis, so we can coat your car and then work out a regular maintenance program with you, you know, every 2 weeks, 4 weeks, whatever suits, just to make sure that your ride is looking as good as it should. Over here we've got the KIMBERLY Camper Platinum Edition, which has just been finished. That's got pomponazzi all over the painted surfaces. We've opened up the drawers, removed the plastic. The kitchen is looking really good. So it's all got pomponazzi on it, all very easy to maintain. Really happy with how it's come out. I hope we can do some more of these sorts of things in the future, because it's really, you know, a bit of a different thing for the guys to look at. And obviously wheeling it around and stuff, it's just a different sort of thing to work on than a regular car. So really happy with how that's come up. The last thing we've got here is just a little green Jimny from around the corner. This guy actually, this is his wife's car, our customer's wife's car, and he took the car and scratched one of the wheels on the curb. Very tragic story. He was devastated about it, and he came to us and he said, please, I need to fix up my wife's wheel, and we said, absolutely. So we brought that back you know, to just about a factory condition. Really happy with how that's come up. So you can take a look at the finish and see what you think as well. And he's going to be getting that at the end of the day. His wife won't know a thing. So yeah, that's about it for this week. There's a lot going on. You know, we're keeping at it. There's always a lot happening in the shop, and it's not going to stop. So I'll see you on the next one, and I hope you enjoyed.